Grocery pag may time. Grocery tayo guys. Groceries. Where? I think it's here. Nandito kami ngayon sa Lulu. Ayan, marami din silang mga promotion today. Yan, noodles. Spaghetti, may noodles na ako diyan. Ito, Filipino items. Sardinas. 800 na. Apat, 890 feels. I want to buy this one. This one. That's it. Okay. Ayan, grocery muna tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong bibilhin ko dito dahil.